Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on the Greens in Rosal, this is one of Montego Bay's premier villas, sitting on approximately 0.82 acres with panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea and the bay. There is a main house with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, a large living and a dining room, a well-designed kitchen boasting granite countertops and a large pantry, a 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom staff quarters, plus an ultra large patio and a swimming pool with a deck. There is also a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom cottage, ideal for guests. This property is ideally located with shopping plazas within 5 minutes radius, 3 golf courses, and the international airport approximately 10 minutes away. Guys, let's take a quick look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 2.495 million, or Jamaican $384 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.